so today we are at Unity Pharmacy at Wisma Atria with 60 over outlets across Singapore. This is their latest one, and today I'm gonna bring you guys through a store tour. I'm gonna be picking out some products that I've been eyeing as well because I heard that they brought in a lot of exclusive brands, some of which I'm really very excited about, and also share with you guys some of the cool features that they've added to this store. So let's go. Okay, so this store is segmented into 4 different sections. We have Look Well, Live Well, Feel Well, and Eat Well. So right now we are at the Look Well section. We have skincare, we have makeup, and we have personal care as well. Ooh, so they've got a ton of my favorite brands like Cetaphil, QV. So I'm actually looking for a new haircare brand to try. Maybe I should try this. So I've been super excited about Paula's Choice coming to Singapore stores. I really want to try the 2% BHA liquid exfoliant. So that's what I'm going to be putting in my basket. And also I heard that the Niacinamide is really good. Oh, I'm looking for the Retinol. Yeah, okay. So there are also a ton of other brands that I've been meaning to try. One of them is Glow Lab as well as Vita Skin. Okay, so now we're at the Live Well section where we have health supplements and vitamins, and to be honest, I'm quite new, but I do know that I do have to get started somewhere lah. I am looking for something that I can easily take. We have this brand called Pro Life and Omega 3. I used to take this when I was younger, so maybe I should get started on it again. Alright, so now we're at the Feel Well section where we have out-the-counter medications and fitness guards. So we have our usual Panadols, Pipagao, one of my favorites. Let's go and check out the Eat Well section. Food. Over here we can find like lots of health food, like all of the healthy stuff like your nuts, your almonds. I actually really like this brand. I really like their raw almonds. Oh, we even have like apple cider vinegar. There's also a pharmacy over here where you can get really cool services done like blood pressure readings and body composition analysis, which is what I'm going to be doing later. My body age is 19.
So BMI is slightly below healthy. We are in good shape lah.
Doing well. The pharmacist said that I'm pretty healthy, which is great. He just says that I need to exercise a bit more, which I already know. And you guys can also bring home a report like this where you can easily just refer to it, you know, in case you need to kind of adjust a little bit of your lifestyle habits and stuff. Okay, so I'm going to be trying out the iDOC service, where basically if you come down to a Unity pharmacy, a pharmacist here can help you arrange a video consultation with a doctor, and this is a telemedicine service for non-emergency ailments, and it's actually really convenient because you guys can even get your medication dispensed over here over the counter via the pharmacist, of course through the doctor's prescription. Over here you can also get medical certificates at the doctor's discretion if you really need, and there is a $10 consultation fee on top of the cost of the medications that you're going to be bringing home. You just come down to a Unity store or a Unity pharmacy store and you'll be able to get your medications. Okay, so this is the YouCam virtual makeup tool where you can try out virtually different makeup looks, different makeup products that you can find over here in the Unity store. And you can even try out different hair colors, okay? So I'm going to be testing it out. Wow! Okay, so I'm trying out lipsticks now. So I can also even put on eyeliner, blush maybe. And the best thing is, right, if you like the colors, you can actually go around and pick up the products immediately. Now let's try the hair color. This is actually really good. You don't actually have to dye your hair to see how you look like in a color. So you can already see if this hair color suits your skin tone or not. Okay, enough of this. Let's go. Alright, so now I'm gonna be checking out and I will see you guys in the studio where I'll show you guys everything that I bought. See ya! Alright, welcome back to the studio. So alright, we just came back from the Unity Wisma Atria store and I promised you guys a haul, so here it is. First up, Paula's choice. Honestly, that was the first thing that caught my eye when I first walked into the store. I have been hearing so much about this brand being really, really effective. I've been seeing a lot of reviews, a lot of good reviews, and I've been waiting for it to come to Singapore, and now we can finally get it exclusively at Unity. Here are the 3 products that I picked out. The first one is the 2% BHA liquid exfoliant, salicylic acid. So I really wanted to try this because I have been getting a lot of breakouts, and I know that salicylic acid is a really good ingredient to incorporate into your skincare routine. And this one is kind of like a toner. It says to unclog, shrinks, enlarge pores, smooth and even skin tone, lightweight, liquid, absorbs quickly. I also got myself the 1% retinol booster with vitamin A and licorice. So this one is a retinol product, and we all know that retinol is really good at resurfacing the skin, and that was what I've been looking to try. And I heard that a lot of the products from this brand are safe and backed by scientific research. I also got myself the 10% niacinamide booster, vitamin B3 and vitamin B5. So I know it's gonna be safe for my sensitive skin, but I'm gonna try it out and let you guys know as well. So, yay! Next up, I've got some things from Glow Lab. I really love the packaging. I got myself the Glow Lab Age Renew Regenerating Facial Serum. This one is a collagen boosting serum with Cola Lift 18 that helps to give you 38% reduction in fine lines. So Glow Lab is a brand from New Zealand, and they also use naturally derived ingredients. It says here, nature and science. No parabens, no sulfates, no phthalates, no silicones, SLS, mineral oil, no animal testing as well. So for those of you who are looking for a brand that, you know, has all of these no's, I think you can try Glow Lab. Let's unbox them together. So let's test this one out. This is the facial serum. Ooh, comes with a nice pump. Quite good quality. It smells great actually. Wow, actually it absorbs pretty fast, and it doesn't leave you with any form of residue or any stickiness or oiliness. Let's try the eye serum. I think the packaging is really sleek and cute, and I love it that it comes with a pump. They all have very, very similar textures actually. It's not oily. It's a nice hydrating serum that is not too rich or heavy. I also got myself the Age Renew Soothing Day Cream, and this one has 40% improved moisture retention, and it says here for sensitive skin as well. So this is what honestly caught my eye because I've been looking for a good day cream. I saw in the range there's also a night cream, so if you are interested in looking for a night cream, this one has a pretty pleasant fragrance. I think right off the bat, the texture is definitely the #1 point about this entire brand because it's so nice and like very comfortable to wear. So that is Glow Lab. I also decided to get myself 2 products from this brand called Beta Skin. So Beta Skin is from Poland, and this brand is known for its high concentration of natural active ingredients. So I got myself the Beta Skin 3-in-1 facial cleansing milk. Honestly, I have been on the lookout for a cleansing milk because I've got sensitive skin, and sometimes on days where I don't wear a lot of heavy makeup, I would prefer to go in with a cleansing milk to very gently cleanse my skin. And the good thing about cleansing milks is that if you don't want to rinse your face after that, you can choose not to. And this one even removes waterproof makeup. It also contains vitamin E, witch hazel, and it's suitable for all skin types, especially sensitive skin. So it comes in a pump like this, and let's see the texture. So all you have to do is apply it all across your face and then take a cotton pad and wipe it down, and you will get rid of all of your makeup, your gunk, and you know, it's actually really soft for sensitive skin. Next up, I have the Natural Active Cream. This one is rich in biologically active ingredients and providing safe solutions to all kinds of skin. So I think this is kind of like a day moisturizer as well. So this moisturizer is more on the richer side because it's very rich in coconut oil, and I got it because, you know, I have very dry skin, but I got it because I heard that it's not as thick and rich compared to other like coconut oil products out there, and it's actually true. It has a very refreshing smell, like a fruity cucumber. Next up, Haircare. I told you guys that I was on the lookout for a new haircare brand to try, and I honestly was caught because of the packaging of this brand. I've never tried this brand before. It's called Bioliss. It's a Japanese brand and I really love Japanese hair care products because they're not only affordable but they're also very effective. Just look at the packaging. They look like jelly glass bottles and the bottle itself is quite generous. You have 480 ml. I chose the extra airy style because I have really limp hair and I really want like my hair to have some bounce and air to them. In Unity you can find the whole range of Bioliss products and this brand uses cold pressed oils and natural essential oils, so I know that my hair is gonna get a lot of nourishment. So this one is the Deep Repair Hair Mask. Lastly, okay, I'm not all about beauty in this haul, okay? I'm trying my very best to live like how a late 20s woman should live. I've been getting nagged at quite a lot, like, you know, for not like paying attention to health supplements and stuff. So I have been making conscious efforts to find out more about them, and also in this haul, I managed to buy some of them. So I have here Pro Life. I decided to start with this GMO-free deep sea fish oil because it has a natural source of omega-3. I hope that omega-3 is, you know, really good at supporting cardiovascular and joint health, and it's really one of those very basic health supplements that most people start off with. This one was also recommended to me. Calcium and magnesium, bone and muscle support with vitamins D and K. It's not too late to start young. And also from Pro Life, I picked up the Multivita, 33 vitamins, minerals and amino acids. This is kind of like a all-in-one kind of all-encompassing health supplement. If you don't want to take too many pills or if you want kind of a more comprehensive coverage, then you can go for something like this. And when I was at the Unity store, I saw that Pro Life had a huge range, not only for adults but also for kids as well. Lastly, I knew that I needed to get something to do with vitamin C, so I saw Vitality NZ. This one is a New Zealand health supplement brand. It uses New Zealand black currants and it says blackcurrant extract, vitamin C and D3 plus zinc. So the whole range of blackcurrant supplements help with women's health, eye health, brain shield and a lot more. So this one in particular helps to support a strong and healthy immune system, which is what I need because I have been falling sick and feeling really tired and restless very easily these days. I keep blaming it on age, but you know, it's time to start somewhere. I know that it's not an immediate, instant thing and it does take a lot of discipline, but today shall be the day that I'm gonna start. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you so much Unity for partnering with me on this video. You guys can go and check out Unity's latest store at Wisma Atria. It's in basement 1. It's a very beautiful store and you guys can find literally anything and everything there. Exclusive brands like these, you know, over here, to a lot of health supplements. Also, what really impressed me were the number of services that you can do over at the pharmacy. Really, indeed, very convenient and like really eye-opening. So with that, I'll see you in my next video. Bye!